Hi, I am Master Francis. Welcome back. And today, I would like to share with you awesome home remedies part 2. How do you stop uncontrollable coughing? Something like that. A few weeks ago, I had a crazy cough. It was uncontrollable. So I thought I had COVID. I thought I had a cold. I thought I had bronchitis. I thought I had pneumonia. And I thought I was going to die. So I took Mucinex, all right, for like 2 or 3 days, and it did not work. And then I bought a stronger medicine. It's called cough mucus relief DM. Okay, it's mucus relief DM. Well, it didn't work either. So, at the same time, my wife was coughing like crazy. And my brother-in-law, that's her brother, was coughing like crazy too. And some other people in the family also coughed. Well, my brother-in-law went to Sam's Wholesale. And he bought this medicine. It's called Maximum Strength Mucus Relief DM. Well, his wife is a pharmacist. So she told him to get this medicine. So he took 2 pills, right? So every 12 hours, you take 1 pill. So he took 2 pills and he was okay. And my wife also took 2 pills, right? She was okay. Like me, I did the same thing. And every 12 hours, I took 1 pill. So I took the pills for 3 days. And the cough went away. So the medicine we got from Sam's Wholesale is the Maximum Strength Mucus Relief DM. Now, when you look at the drug facts, you see it has 60 milligrams of dextromethorphan, and it has 1,200 milligrams of guaifenesin, whereas the mucus relief medicine has only 20 milligrams of dextromethorphan, and it has only 400 milligrams of guaifenesin. Many people still use Vicks Formula 44 DM for cough and chest congestion. And Vicks Formula 44 DM is similar to Mucinex because they have only 10 milligrams of dextromethorphan and 200 milligrams of guaifenesin. According to my findings, the medicine we got from Sam Wholesale is the best medicine for cough and mucus relief right here. So the name right here is Maximum Strength, all right, Mucus Relief DM. Okay, this medicine has 60 milligrams of dextromethorphan and 1,200 milligrams of rifampicin. Amazing. It works like a miracle. So when you take this medicine, make sure you eat something first and drink a lot of water. All right. So for some people, like for example, my sister-in-law, she's much older than me. So she thinks it's too strong for her. So she cut the pill in half. All right. She took just half of the pill. However, not all pills can be cut in half safely. So consult a doctor or a pharmacist before you cut the pill in half. All right?